Hey greencardEZ viewers, we are excited to bring the Fall 2023 University Admissions video series to you. As part of this series, we will share what you should do to get into your dream university in the USA. Congratulations on your decision to start your program in the fall, which means August or September of 2023. The first goal is to understand what your student journey looks like and the different steps you need to complete to succeed. That's where we come in. We've crafted a personal admissions plan for your fall semester to help you accomplish your goals and secure a brighter future. We've broken down the student journey into 6 stages. As you progress through your journey, we will let you know where you are and when you complete each stage. We've crafted a 27-step personalized plan to help you understand the steps you need to take and the ideal dates to complete them. Staying on track will allow you to manage this demanding process with relative ease. Each of the 27 steps has a plan of action with suggested dates, tips, tricks, and more. We will cover all of those in detail in the video that we will post until September of 2023. If you don't want to miss those, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Your first important step on your student journey is to choose a major. You will look at different available resources, and once you have a grasp of what you want, you can narrow it down without any problems. We will cover this in our next video, so let's get started.